clap hands, they will not even have their torches to see what is happening, nothing. They just think they are just a sort of a parasites, just coming here as wives or sisters or whatever, is wearing saris. No, you have to be extremely dynamic. You must know all about Sahaja Yoga, you must know all about chakras, you should know everything. In India, when in the ancient times, they used to teach them about God, religion and all that. So many great ladies we had, Gargi and Maitreyi and all those, who were very learned women. So in no way you should be just women who do not know anything of Sahaja Yoga. Sahaja Yoga is not only meant for men, it's meant for you, much more for you, because you are Shakti and I am your mother. So I find the women lack that. They are more worried about the saris, the this and that. And I mean, now from the hairdressing they have come to saris. That's what I feel. But just the same. Of course, sari is a very good dress. It's nice to wear. By that we give a lot of encouragement to our weavers in India. It's very artistic and good. That represents also a very ladylike, feminine thing. But that doesn't mean you should become so feminine that you don't understand Sahaja Yoga. I've seen women don't know where the centers are of the feet. Indian women know, men do not. Indian women know, but the Western women don't know, so many of them. They don't know about chakras, they don't know how to raise the kundalini, they don't know what the problem is. So once you have left that life where you are wearing a sari, it doesn't mean now that you have become a woman in the Gosha. Gosha is the one where they have to wear chadar they call it. No. Sari means you can also be very dynamic. With the same sari that you are wearing, even the saris of the 9 yards, we have had queens who fought the English. You must have heard about Jhansi Ki Rani. She was hardly of any age. She jumped from 80 feet height with her child behind her. She was a widow. And she fought the English, left and right. And when she was killed, the person who was here, the Englishman, he said, the governor, he said, we have won the war, but the glory goes to Jhansi Ki Rani. Then we had another one, Chand Bibi, another lady, in Ahmednagar. She fought. We had so many women like that. Tremendous type of women we had, though they lived like women. We had Padmini, we had Noor Jahan, we had Ahilya Bai, so many women. They were not manly at all, very womanlike. There was the last one was Shivaji's daughter-in-law. She was only 17 years of age, 17 years. And she fought this Aurangzeb, and she's the one who defeated him. Nobody could manage this Aurangzeb horrible, and she defeated him. So, though, you see, the Indian women look so docile and simple, but when it comes to their personality, they are capable of tremendous things. So, this character, when you are wearing the saris, you must also know how to tie up the backside and to fight. Otherwise, you have not got the search culture in you. Either you are very dominating or you are so docile like cabbages. You must understand that we have to be alert, very alert. And Mother depends on us, on our own personalities, that the way we are going to develop ourselves, our children, our husbands, our society of Sahaja Yoga, the whole of Vishwa Nirmal Dharma. It is the woman who makes the society. The whole universe is in the hands of a woman who creates children. So the stupid ideas of romanticism and all this nonsense has to be finished. The position of husband, what time you came, when did you go, where did you go. And here the women, when the Shivaji started his fight, they used to cut their finger, thumb, and used to put the tika on the forehead of the husbands who were going in the war. And they said, don't come showing your back. Such great women we have had in this Maharashtra, where you find them to be so mild. If it comes to their country, if it comes to their own personality, to their own chastity or anything, they are tremendous, just like lionesses. So with this sari, lots of things go hand in hand. It's not only the sari you are wearing, but you are representing something very dynamic within yourself. Now, when we talk about further programs, people are insisting that we should have a program in any case in Kolhapur. But I told them I will not allow Sahajogis to go there because they were hurt so badly. But some of you can come, not all of you. I am rather worried. I don't think anybody will hurt you, and they are saying we will make arrangements. So if you want to come, if you are not afraid, but on one promise, that nobody is going to beat anyone. I'm saying don't beat, and somebody heard beat. I mean, I have never heard such sort of thing when I'm saying on the thing that don't beat. Then somebody hears that beat them. Just don't understand. So you don't have to beat anyone, there's no need. You know that there's Parama Chaitanya working. All this is also the work of Parama Chaitanya. In the afternoon, Yogi Mahajan was discussing with me very seriously like a lawyer, saying that, Mother, we cannot form a criminal case on them because there's no evidence. Afternoon, and in the evening we have evidence now. And then they are writing in the other way round that they were beaten up and that you threw stones at them and none of them were injured. They must have been vibrated stones, I think. How can you? They had no injuries. They wrote it down. They have no injuries. So there is no need for you to bother about it. With all that, there were at least more than 400 stones that came, and only 18 people got hurt, and really seriously I think 1 or 2. So there's nothing, and I can cure all of you, know that very well. On the whole, see, this country, especially Maharashtra, is so full of devotion to God that these things are not going to work out. But they are very dangerous people like Hitler. You see, they start moving about and giving some ideas and all that. So it's better to finish them at the time when they are just prospering. As they call themselves, Nirmulan is to remove the roots. So we have to do the Nirmulan of Nirmulan. All right. So now, today we'll have the puja. Then after that, if you want, you can go to Kolhapur for your purchase. But the shop starts quite late, and we'll keep quite late till 8, and tomorrow the whole day is available for you. So you can take your buses, you can go down there, and you can have your purchase and all that, then come back here. Tomorrow also you can do the same. Day after tomorrow, our Mr. Govind has very kindly invited you all to his place as it is. He's an extremely generous man. So, and when I told him that you must take money from me, he was just fighting with me. Mother, give me this much chance. This is my great honor. That इकडे बस आशा पुढे पुढे अवसडुली कर इकडून बसा पुढे. So let them come if they want to come. आने दीजिए, आगे जगह आने दीजिए. जो आना चाहते पर खड़े होके देखना नहीं. So then the program is that day after tomorrow, after this thing, he says it will be over by 12:30, 1 o'clock. So you'll have to tonight and tomorrow full day for your shopping, but I think then you should not bother more about shopping. Whatever you have to do, better finish tomorrow. And then you have to come to the program also. Day after, if you linger on, then it will be very difficult. So all of you should go there, have your food, and then go to Ganpatipule. This is the program. So you reach Ganpatipule in the evening. I hope it's all clear to you. And whatever you want to buy, you have to buy here. But I would say that some of you are really do not know what is real silk is. And I've seen some people buying something horrid. And very thin silk you should not buy because it will last you only for 8 days and then it will be finished. So don't go for cheap things. One sari, which is good sari, silk sari, is better than 10 bad sari. Luckily now we have some saris that you wanted for the printed saris, which I can give you in Ganpatipule. Nice printed saris of the tussar and also silk. We'll have them there, you can all buy there. Anything else? Because I don't think I'll meet you anymore, perhaps till we go to Ganpatipule. Now, also if you could get those bhajan things, please buy. I have given you presents twice, but you never bring them on your tour. And this time again, I don't want to get this kind of a thing. Dikha dijiye. Just show them. Anything of this kind, please get it. It's very important. I've given it twice as presents, but it's very difficult every time to go to the shop and get it for you. If you can get them, please buy. Some of you should at least have them. मिळतील का ते? पितळेचे मिळतील का? मिळतील? मग तुमच्या जेवणाच्या तिथे घेऊन या, ह्याला विकून टाका. He'll organize, you better purchase. Now, all the marriages practically have been decided. 1 or 2 are left, which he has also adjusted. Now, those who were over age or something like that, we could not arrange their marriages. Doesn't matter. It may work out, it may not work out. Doesn't matter. After all, you are in Sahaja Yoga. I mean, you are really married to Sahaja Yoga, that's all. This is something sideways, you see. So don't make your life miserable all the way you have come to know that we have not been able to arrange your marriage. It's not proper. Just enjoy. Don't miss the point. May God bless.